Hey there, welcome to Michelle's Weekly Minute. Now today I want to talk to you about the 3 myths about buying a home. Number 1 is I can't afford it. Listen, if you are paying rent somewhere, you can actually afford to buy a home. You're just paying somebody else's mortgage payment and building their equity. So why not pay your own mortgage payment and build your own equity? But you ask about closing costs and down payments. Maybe you don't have that money saved up. Listen, there are programs out there that actually are zero down payment options, and with the sellers paying closing costs, you can actually buy a home. I have actually helped several people get into homes with less than $1,000. Number 2 is I don't have the credit scores to qualify. If you have a middle FICO credit score of 580, you can qualify for an FHA mortgage right now. Now, even with the recent events of the pandemic, lenders are lending, and with rates being at historical lows, why wouldn't you want to buy? Myth number 3 is I'm scared of the repairs and maintenance. Well, yeah, you're going to have some repairs and maintenance. That comes along with buying a home. But I always get the sellers to do a home warranty the first year and pay for that for the new buyers. So that way, if there's anything major that goes wrong with the home during that first year, it's covered under the home warranty. Now, if you have any questions about the home buying process or just don't know what your steps are to start this process, I'd love to help you. Feel free to reach out to me, and we can sit down, either have a virtual call or sit down face to face over a cup of coffee and discuss your options. I hope you guys have a great day.